What's going on, everybody? Felix here again with another video, and we have a JDM rollout. So behind me we have a couple of cool JDM cars that we're going to be doing a short route on. And of course, you know, some of the American cars got to crash the party. But this should be a pretty cool rollout. Yeah, you know, you got to, right? When there are people looking. So we're gonna go on a little route, a little cruising route and everything. We have all the cars out here. We have like some GTRs, Type R, Supras, GTR, Skyline GTR. So let's get away from that R35 stuff. But we have an R35, R33 so far, and have an RX-8, Eclipse. So a lot of cool cars, and there are supposed to be more that are coming. So can't wait to see that. Let's go and take a look at some of these cars. And of course, this was at my garage. However, that one has a little bit more power than my Skyline. So. And just so you see the difference, this is a stock twin turbo, and this is a twin turbo on steroids. Some more cars have come in. We got R34s, we got R33s, we got no R32s yet. We have R35s, Supras, Civics, Miatas, what else? Mitsubishis. We have all kinds of cool stuff out here. So, man, if you're in the DFW area and you want to do a cool JDM cruise, you need to hit us up. That way you can get involved in this. There goes the R32.
Thank you for taking the time to come out. This is going to be amazing. It's going to be a really wonderful cruise. And it's going to be this late because also traffic is going to be much lighter. And we want that cruising as a big group, so it's much safer for us to get around and moving as a unit.
just finished the first leg of the cruise. We're going to make our way back to the fuel city where we originally came from. I think it's going to be a little more casual. Some people did leave already during and after we came to the meetup spot because some of them couldn't keep up. They say the pace was too fast. So that's just a bunch of variations. But overall, I think it was pretty cool. I was the very last one to leave the original spot, and I was able to catch up, no problem. So, I mean, I'm having a lot of fun. There's a lot of cool cars out here. Probably my favorite is the R34, and getting right next to it and just doing some cool roller stuff. Of course, here's the camera car. You have it on the tail end right here. A cool little setup. You got multiple cameras, so it's pretty cool. We got the American cars trying to intervene and everything. So on this side we got a Camaro right here. We got a 5.0 right here. All right, that was a pretty cool rollout, a pretty cool cruise. Everything went successful. The crowd has thinned quite a bit now, but check out these two JDM Legends parked right next to each other. It don't get any better than that. It's really cool. I want to thank Designer for hosting this event. Really awesome. I can't wait to do the next one. Hopefully next time my car will look just a little bit better, a little bit cooler. Fingers crossed. Who knows? But I appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.